3 liters.
Hi, my name is Maria. I was in Poland thanks to Project Comenius. It was very interesting journey. We stayed in Hotel Piotr. We ate in Restauracja Magdalenka. Swedes greeted us with bread and salt. We found many new friends. We visited General Office where we saw presents of Bogusz's birthday. We went by ski lift on a short trip to mountains. We took part in lessons biology, geography and Polish music. We saw sights in Krakow. They were Castle of Pieskova Skala and Collegium Mars in Krakow. Castle of Pieskova Skala is situated to the northeast of Krakow. I visited in Pieskova Skala is an opportunity to see a living Polish collection and English art. Collegium Mars is the oldest university building in Poland. We visited salt mine Wieliczka. Wieliczka is one of the world's oldest operating salt mines still and it is UNESCO monument. We were drive in winds to of horse. We visited Kalvaria Żebrzydowska. It is big religious complex. I was Denmark with historical and interesting facts of Poland.
In May 2013, four people traveled to Poland. We left on Wednesday. Journey was very interesting, funny, and everybody slept. On Thursday, we were at ceremonial at school in Vousokorce. These pupils held flags of UNESCO countries. Next day, on Friday, we were on lessons. We were on the geography, biology, and Polish. After lessons, we went on skylift. On the other day, we went after side. Krakow, Salt Mine, Wieliczka, Kalvaria Żebrzydowska, wooden churches in southern Malopoland, Basilica, and River Wisla. I very like Poland. I found a lot of friends, and if I could, I would like come back.
Hi guys! Suchter Poland. Poland is very big and very interesting country if there are him occupants on external people. This country will be hurt and very knobby. We visit so much famous and historical places. Inside these places is something very special, a little bit former time. As by now else said, my friend, I won't say thank Project Comenius because I met new, good and very friendly people with heart. Thanks.